is Raquel Pelissier, Miss Universe Haiti. I just did an awesome interview. You can go on Facebook, The Haitian American, to see it. Tell me what you think.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
So, I understand that you're part of a research team that's working for a cure for blindness. Tell us a little bit more about that.
Yes, I'm part of a research project that consists of finding new alternatives to curing blindness, such as surgery. And that project has taught me to not take my eyes for granted. And if it's because of your eyes that you're watching this incredible show tonight, and it's because of your eyes that you'll be able to read who's the next Miss Universe.
Hey. Enough of the eye jokes. Starting to hurt me a little bit. Thank you, Haiti.
Miss Universe walking coach Lou says in rehearsal that Haiti soaked up feedback like a sponge. Haiti had trouble deciding between 3 gowns for tonight. I think she made a great choice.
Haiti, please join me over here. On January 21st, an estimated 4.8 million people marched worldwide for human rights, women's rights, and other issues. If you were able to participate, what would you have been marching for?
Hello, everybody. One of the women I admire in the world is Eleanor Roosevelt, because she fought so much for human rights, and I feel like that's what we need in the world. We are just one. 100,000 years ago, 6 species of human lived in the world. Now we are just one, and we all need each other, and we need to respect each other.
Thank you, Haiti. Colombia. Please remove Haiti's headphones. Haiti, here's your question. Name something over the course of your life that you failed at, and tell us what you learned from that experience.
Can you repeat?
Name something over the course of your life that you failed at, and tell us what you learned from that experience.
About 7 years ago, I survived the earthquake. I feel I was failing myself because I was not living my dreams. I was living day by day, and that earthquake, it was a bad event, but I chose to be a very positive person and learn a great lesson from it, because if I am here today, it's because I am living my dreams. Thank you.
Thank you, Haiti.